Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. I caught 2 idiots in a single day today.
A few moments later.
I didn't expect him to merge into my lane. I feel bad for people who pay for a complete car and just don't use the mirrors. This driver decides to make his own turning lane with his hazards on, then forces his way back into the other lane because the sidewalk starts. I have never, ever in my life seen anything as bizarre as this. I guess safety is secondary to making your exit for this company. My doorbell cam picked up this beauty today. Driving is hard for some people.
Written and created by Rebecca Klingel. Directed by Kristen Burke. Executive produced by Cole Sprouse, Rebecca Klingel, Rob Herding, David Henning, Sandra Yi Lin, and Michelle Zarati. Co-executive producer.
On the opposite side, everyone is going calmly, and in front of me is this idiot.
That was Ride or Die. He was doing, he's still doing actually, F1.
The crazy
Kaczynski movie, right?
What the f are you doing?
With Brad Pitt, which is sort of the Top Gun on tracks. But in the editing,
now you can't go. So he agrees.
That was Ride or Die. He was doing, he's still doing actually, F1.
The crazy
Kaczynski movie, right?
What the f are you doing?
With Brad Pitt, which is sort of the Top Gun on tracks. But in the editing,
now you can't go. So he agrees.
One of the dumbest crashes I've seen.
I think you should off. Who are you here? Defending a bunch of goons with guns? Real big man here, bro. You can go eat shit and choke on it, please.
This driver mistakes an entrance for an exit and doesn't know how to back up. I was just vibing when suddenly I'm convinced he needs to go to the bathroom.
is doing is legitimately special, and right now he's as in the meantime, we extend our birthday wishes to the producer of this program on this day, Brendan Bubba Peregrine.
This driver doesn't get what red lights are all about. Can anyone tell me how to deal with these kinds of idiots? Why wait in a traffic jam when you can just cut across to an exit, right? Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.